arguably the crown jewel of Minnesota and western Wisconsin countrysides, the family farm. A 30% decline, or 17,000 dairy farms in the past decade, have faded away in the U.S. That's according to the USDA. Here is how the two states compare. In Minnesota, just north of 3,200 dairy farms remain, but the state lost 140 last year. Compare that to our neighbors east of the St. Croix, 430 lost, with almost 9,000 remaining. Higher milk production is in part to blame for driving down milk prices, leaving most of the work to large-scale commercial farms. And when we say commercial, think about this. California, the #1 producing milk state, the average herd is 1,250 cows. In Wisconsin, the #2 state, 140 cows per farm. A tough breed, no doubt, but a declining one at that.
Dylan, I knew these farms were in trouble. Those numbers are startling.
Yeah.
Your family had to make this tough decision too.
Yeah, no doubt. So this is my grandparents' family farm about an hour west of here in Waverly, Minnesota. Scroll over here, it's my grandpa, 94 years old right now, but yeah,
Wow.
he was fourth generation farmer out there. And so this is another one here. This is in my chubby cheek days when I was pretty
You're
young.
adorable.
Yeah, my uncle and I on the tractor out in the farm. But yeah, you grow up there and you kind of build your values there. And fourth generation from my family farm, it is no longer. They had to sell it off and really kind of move away from it because it became too difficult.